Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Quotex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in quotex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Quotex website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials or by your social account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Account. Now you will end up with your account settings page. If you look at the right side, you will see the Delete Account button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Click on the Request Deletion option and you will be asked to enter your password. Type in your password and enter the verification code to confirm your identity. And after you proceed forward, you will be logged out from your Quotex account. After you are logged out, make sure not to log back in for at least 1 month, and then your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Quotex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.